If you are looking for a flexible mobile plan without long contracts, you may have come across ChillSim or ChillSIM. In this video, I'll cover what ChillSim is, its main features, the pros and cons, pricing value, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. And for now, let's get started. What is a ChillSim? ChillSim is a mobile SIM service that focuses on affordable phone plans, simple activation, and contract-free usage. The service is mainly designed for people who want a secondary SIM, travel-friendly options, or cheaper monthly mobile plans without dealing with complicated carrier agreements. Depending on your region, ChillSim may offer physical SIM cards and eSIM support. Main features: no long-term contracts. One of the biggest selling points is flexibility. You usually pay month to month, which means you can cancel anytime without termination fees. That's useful for students, travelers, or anyone who doesn't want to commit to a yearly mobile plan. eSIM support. ChillSim supports eSIM on compatible devices. That means you can activate a mobile plan digitally without waiting for a physical SIM card to arrive. For people with newer iPhones or Android devices, this makes setup much faster. Affordable plans. ChillSim focuses on budget-friendly pricing. Most users choose it for cheaper data plans compared to larger mobile carriers. It can work well if you mainly use data for browsing, messaging, streaming, or hotspot usage. Easy setup. The activation process is usually simple. You pick a plan, scan a QR code, if using eSIM, and start using the service within minutes. That simplicity is one of the reasons many users try smaller SIM providers like ChillSim. Pros: affordable pricing. The biggest advantage is cost. If you want a cheaper alternative to major carriers, ChillSim can save money monthly. Flexible usage. No contracts means less commitment. You can switch plans or stop using the service whenever you want. Fast eSIM activation. Digital activation is convenient and removes the need for shipping delays. Good for travel or backup use. Some users use ChillSim as a secondary line for travel, work, or extra data. Cons: coverage depends on partner networks. Like many smaller SIM providers, ChillSim relies on larger carrier networks, so performance may vary depending on your location. In some areas, speeds and signal strength may not match premium carriers. Customer support may be limited. Smaller providers sometimes have slower support compared to major telecom companies. If you run into activation or billing issues, response times may vary. Not ideal for heavy premium users. If you need premium unlimited data, advanced family plans, or bundled services like TV and home internet, larger carriers may still be better. Who should use ChillSim? ChillSim is best for budget-conscious users, travelers, people needing a secondary phone number, users who prefer no contracts, people who want quick eSIM activation. It's probably not the best option for users who need top-tier nationwide coverage or premium carrier features. Is a ChillSim worth it? Overall, ChillSim looks like a solid option if your priority is affordability and flexibility. The biggest strengths are simple setup, eSIM support, and contract-free plans. But like most smaller mobile providers, your experience will heavily depend on network coverage in your area. If you want a low-cost SIM for everyday use, travel, or backup data, ChillSim is definitely worth considering. And that's my quick ChillSim review. If you find this video helpful and useful, please make sure to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.